Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the Find The Floppa Morphs map. Once loaded, check the version and enabled spawns so you're not chasing outdated mechanics. Next, make sure you're in a session with at least 2 active players or spawned NPCs, because Metal Floppa's rarity increases with activity. Finally, switch to a fast mobility morph and equip any metal detection or rarity boost items. These change encounter rates. Start moving toward high-density spawn zones. Don't idle, because time and movement matter here. Once you're in the field, adopt a systematic grid sweep. Move between nodes and pause 10 to 15 seconds so the server can roll new spawns. You want to be listening for metallic audio cues and watching for subtle visual reflections, so increase contrast or shaders to help detect the metal sheen. If the map offers lure items or bait, use them at high-density nodes, and coordinate a 2-person loop to continuously trigger respawns. This multiplies your effective spawn checks. When Metal Floppa finally spawns, approach decisively. Close the gap fast, apply any stun or slow mechanics, and secure the capture before it despawns. Timing matters. If you've searched for an extended period with no luck, restart the map or switch to a different server to refresh spawn tables and increase your odds. And if you're missing audio or visual cues, reduce particle effects, reset graphic settings, or test detection with another player. These fixes usually reveal hidden spawns and restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.